In the recent times of COVID-19 testing, sample collection has become very important, and accordingly, the use of viral transport medium has boomed. But how to know if the VTM kit that you are using is the right choice? According to WHO and CDC protocols, protein or serum component is very important in VTM kits because it helps to sustain long-term storage of the viral sample. But how do we know whether the VTM is of good quality, whether it has protein component or not? Here are two tubes of VTM kit. Now, in these two, one has protein or serum and another doesn't have it. Now, according to molecular biology practices, if we give a vigorous shaking to the vials which has protein, then we will see frothing. Let's see. Accordingly, we can see that one of the vials has got sufficient frothing while the other does not have. Now, this vial which has the frothing has protein or serum in it. Now, accordingly, when you buy VTM kits from different companies, you can check them and see whether your VTM kit has protein or serum in it or not. If it has protein or serum, then it is a good quality VTM kit. Choose wisely, choose the VTM kits which have protein or serum component and avoid using those VTM kits which do not.